Hi, good evening. This is Sajan. Today topic is about EBS volume types and how the performance is measured. So in the case of EBS volume types, we have two different types. One is SSD, another one is HDD, and before discussing these two volumes, let us discuss about what are the performance metrics. So, how the performance of the various volume types are measured. First one is IOPS. So, IOPS means that input output operations per second. So, per second, how many input output the read write operations are done. So that is IOPS. Okay. The next one is throughput. Throughput means data transferred per second. So this is per second how much data is transferred. It is measured in mega bits per second. That is. Um, Next one is latency. So latency means the time delay between IO request and responses. So in the case of SSDs, this volume provides low latency for real-time applications. So it is good to use. So first we have SSD. It is so what is meant by SSD? Solid state disk. Here we have general purpose uh, disks are there. One is GP2 and another one is GP3. GP2 is up to 3 IOPS input output per second. It is given, and the minimum 100 IOPS baseline. So 100 IOPS baseline means guaranteed speed given for this GP2 drive. Then bus credit system. Bus credit system, it is giving the performance. So temporary performance boost above the baseline. Okay, so it will be given some temporary performance boost for the uh, given disks. And yeah, the next one is GP3. So here the IOPS baselines are 3000 up to 16,000 input output per second or here supports. And the speed throughput is up to 1000 megabits per second is achieved. Here its cost is 20% lower cost than GP2. Okay. So next one is on the SSD. We have another provisioned IOPS. It is IO1, IO2. So here the difference are IOPS are high for IO1 and IO2. This IO2 block express is large. Then durability is 99%, and the instance support is it's supported for all type of instance IO1 and IO2. This IO2 block is for only Nitro only. Maximum throughput is here 1000 megabits per second for both I1 and IO2. Here 4000 megabits per second. Then HDD hard disk drive. Here this storage we have three types. One is standard. This is a magnetic ST1 and ST2. ST1 is throughput optimized. SC1 is called hard disk drive. Standard here it's mainly for storing some log details which IP the system instance or accessed, which server is accessed. It is not accessed frequently. Data are stored in the standard magnetic STD. Then ST1 throughput optimized here up to 500 Mbps maximum throughput and 500 IOPS. Here mainly it is used for video streaming. Here more reading but less writing. That time we can use this throughput optimized. Then SC1 cold hard disk drive, here mainly it is for 250 Mbps maximum throughput and 250 IOPS achieved. Here the mainly it is archive storage. Mainly it is for infrequently accessed data will be stored here. The another important point in the case of hard disk drive, it cannot be used as a boot volume for boot volume and not suitable for random IO patterns. This is a main important point. So based on these informations, we can choose the right volume types. What volume we can use for during boot of the device, and GP3 is recommended. It's as it is very fast and lower cost. In the case of workload or database related things, we can go for IO2 for mission critical database, high IOPS. The case of big data analytics, for sequential throughput requirements in data processing pipelines, we can go for ST1. Um, so if you compare the GP3 baseline, 3000 IOPS and 125 Mbps are used with no extra cost. Up to we can increase up to 16,000 IOPS. The same way we can use throughput also. We can increase up to 1000 megabits per second. Yeah, then so we need to use some cloud watch to monitor how much data or read and write operation, what is a volume length and volume throughput percentage. Based on that, we can do elastic, dynamically modify the increase or increase the size of the volumes online, and IOPS values also we can increase. So mainly what is IOPS? Input output per second. Throughput means how much data it is accessed per second, read write operations done by second. Then snapshot, it is like automated backup scheduling. These are the main important points we have. Then so final recap is by default we can use GP3 for cost effectiveness. For sequential access like big data analytics, you can go for ST1. IO2 for database related things, and CloudWatch is mainly for monitoring the volumes and performance improvements. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class.